work out the area of this triangle, what do we know about it? We know all the interior angles really, because we can figure out the third one by subtracting those two there from 180. So the two of them there added together come to 67 degrees, isn't that right? Right. So 180 take away 67, it would be 113 degrees. So that angle A there is going to be 113 degrees. Anyway, we don't even need that, because to work out the area of the triangle, this triangle here, you see, we know this side here, we know the angle between there, and we know this side. So that's a side angle side, like a sandwich. Side angle side. And in that case, we use the sine rule from page 16 of the log tables. The sine rule for area. And the area is given by half AB sine C, and that means the multiplication of the area, the length A, side B, and the angle between them. So for us, that's going to be a half multiplied by 46 multiplied by 86 multiplied by the sine of the angle between them, and the angle between them is 35. So the Casio will do all this in one go. So we just type in 1/2 using the fraction key, multiplied by 46, multiplied by 86, multiplied by sine 35 degrees, close the bracket, press equals, and I get 1134.53 rounded to 2 decimal places. And that's meters squared. Don't forget your units. And that's it. Job done.